What is courage?
I was a sales representative at a very big company, and there was one day I was sitting with my client, and I was watching out the window, and I was thinking, oh, there's another life out there for me. The next day, I just quit.
I was doing really well. I mean, every informal competition I participated in, I ended up first. So, I wanted to get in the major competitions at that point. But there was a little problem. I didn't have a driving license yet.
I tried gymnastics. I thought about doing ballet. I didn't like any of them. There was another girls' ice hockey team, so it was easy for me. I had to play with the boys.
When you start cycling at the age of 30, people still call you junior. I didn't really care. I only cared about pushing myself more each and every day.
Suddenly, we discovered that in Latvia, there was no need to have a driving license to compete in National Championship Rally. So I said, that's where I need to go.
When I play with them, they're like the same if I would be a boy. Of course, it sometimes hurts, but it's worth it to do what I always wanted to do.
People always said that I had a lot of courage. I just shifted from not being ready to being ready, all of a sudden.
I guess you can call that courage. So my courage drove me to Latvia.
Where is your courage?
Where is your courage driving you to?
Scala in Latin means ladder, and courage is a ladder. One that gets you nearer to what you want to achieve. Inspired by all who are moving forward, we've chosen the name Scala for a car that was designed to embrace life and adapt to change. Introducing the all-new Škoda Scala. Škoda. Simply clever.